Operation Guide. Firstly, put the card slot grinding base into the grinding machine. Fasten the fixture for fixing on the base. Click the SIM card slot program. The grinding machine will return to the position of base automatically. The 8 sets of mobile phone molds for the card slot grinding mold need to be placed after the grinding machine returns to the original point. Otherwise, it will cause collision. Click Regional Point Calibration. The drill bit of the grinding machine will contact the surface of the phone case automatically. The process of calibration is about 3 minutes. After calibration is done, click Loading to exit the base. Then take out the phone mold of corresponding models. The standard package of mobile phone mold includes 14, 14 Plus, 14 Pro, 14 PM, 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 PM, a total of 8 models. Note: please place the mobile phone mold with the up facing up. Then put the mobile phone case that needs to be ground into the mobile phone mold of the corresponding model. When grinding the back case, the glass lid on the back needs to be kept. Then put the mobile phone mold on the card slot grinding base. Fix the mobile phone mold. Click the yellow folder on the upper left corner. Then click the user program, and the program will be put in system program later. Then select the program of corresponding model that needs to be ground and open the program. Click Run. The machine starts to grind card slot. When grinding, it is necessary to use a blower to keep blowing air towards the grinding position. The grinding time for 14, 14 Plus, 15 and 15 Plus is about 6 minutes. The grinding time for Pro and Pro Max series is about 14 minutes. When the grinding machine prompts that the pressure is too high during the grinding process, the drill bit needs to be replaced before continuing to grind. After grinding is done, click Loading. Wait for the grinding machine to exit. Then let's remove the phone mold. Mobile phone card slot grinding is finished. Card slot grinding is done.